Hey guys, I just got back from Disney World and I found this cool secret eating spot right in the Magic Kingdom where there were no crowds, and I wanted to share it with you right away. Also, only a small percentage of my viewers are actually subscribed, so if you enjoy this video, please subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. This little spot saved our sanity during our trip. As you probably know, there's a Starbucks right on Main Street. But what you don't know is that it also, in my opinion, has the best inexpensive food in the park. But the problem is that there's no place to sit. So people are usually just sitting on the curb. But just off Main Street, there's this little side street that barely anyone notices. See how calm it is back here and how there's plenty of places to sit? And they have some picnic tables that you see here that are usually open. As you can see in this video, it was a really crowded night, and people are sitting on the curb everywhere. But no one looks down this little street. Every time we brought our food here, there was an open table. It was crazy. So let me show you on a map exactly where it is. Right here is the Main Street Bakery, which is actually Starbucks. And right here is the secret eating spot. I hope that helps you on your next vacation to Disney World. Please do me the favor of hitting that like button and subscribing so that you'll see when I post more about my recent Disney trip. Thanks for watching!